Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Lynn. Simple recipes, easy to make. Today I'm going to share with you clay pot eggplant with fish and chicken. Eggplant in Chinese, 茄子. So next time when you take a picture, instead of saying cheese, you can try to say 茄子. Let me show you the ingredients. I have 2 Chinese eggplant. You can use other eggplant. And I already did some prep work. So actually this is a Cantonese dish made of salted fish. I don't have salted fish, so I'm just use codfish fillet. This is just half of the fillet diced. And the chicken, this is half of chicken tender diced. And a trio, minced ginger, garlic, chopped green onions. I always separate the white part from the green part. And since we don't have salted fish, so I'm going to incorporate fish sauce. And we also need oyster sauce and light soy sauce. So next I'm going to cut up the eggplant. Fresh. And then we just do the rolling cut like this. You don't have to. And you can see I put them in the water, so this way they won't be oxidizing. Now we're ready to cook. I'm heating up the pan to high, and we'll add some oil. First, we're going to brown the chicken. We'll add a little bit salt. Now let's add the fish slices. Add a little bit of fish sauce. So that's our salted fish. Now we add minced ginger, garlic, white part of green onions. Now we are ready to add eggplant. Traditionally, this is deep fried, so I'm not deep fried the eggplant. Stir them together. We need a little bit more oil, right? Eggplant likes oil. And now we add a little salt, light soy sauce, and oyster sauce. Now we add water. And bring this to boil. So technically, you can just finish in the pan. Since it's the clay pot eggplant, and I also have a clay pot, so I'm going to transfer to the clay pot. Here's my clay pot. I'm heating up, and we transfer the eggplant to the pot. And we'll bring this to boil. Also cover it. Cook about 10 minutes until the eggplant tender. 8 minutes passed. Let's check on our eggplant. Just be careful, very hot. It smells good. Let me have a quick taste. Definitely soft now. delicious. Actually, perfect. Then we just garnish with green onions. Maybe a little bit more fish sauce, right? Make it more fishy. And our eggplant's ready. Let's have a close-up of our eggplant. Smells so good. Chicken, fish. Yeah, we didn't deep fry. Of course, the color not as good, but flavor, it's great. I'm ready to try. Some sauce. Cheers. So savory. The fish just tastes like a salted fish. Although it's a salted fish, right? We use the fish sauce. Delicious. Please leave me a comment below if you ever had this dish, and I will list all the ingredients in the description box as always. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel for more simple recipes. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.